Oh, I'm bored now. Anything having nothing, and nothing I ship can do hand. Anything I never hit it. Anyway, where did Dishwasher go?
I'm down the hallway.
Why you in? Are you in the hallway?
Doggone right, I'm in the hallway.
Why you in the dark? Don't ask me a question. I want to know. What did you do? When I give it a call, you didn't answer. It's not about. Not like that, Dish. Not like that? Okay, I want to know because I get ready to put my foot up you. I told you before. When I give you a call, say something. Why do I give it a call that you not answer me a question?
Because I try to call someone and I hear something.
Exactly. If you don't, I get ready to rip your neck off and shove it down your throat and punch you in your hole in your chest. Answer me. Why did I give it a call that you not say something?
Dishwasher, you told me to give it a call, but I don't know how to answer the question, but
Why did I give it a call that you not say something?
look, Dishwasher, I don't know.
Matter of fact, I got something for that. I got something. Get over here before I throw this flip-flop on your face enough.
Bro, you can't listen to the Dishwasher, but he's got angry. But you know how to say something. You don't know about a talk. Look, bro. At the word, you can't say something, bro. Come on, bro. Be a man, bro.
We must have a vacation today. That's why I told you butts, get in the room right now.
Yeah. You might be right. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm a man. You see what I'm saying? I ain't let nobody.
God
damn, bro. Hey, Dish. Who the heck are you?
Shut your butts up. Heck, you think you're talking to, boy?
Dishwasher.
Ah, Kai, you good. That's why I'm the one to charge you $400. What?
Heck yeah, I'll charge you $400. Now you gonna do about it? Hey man, you stop that hitting.
Let's have the heck up.